Okay, so 3 questions on Pythagoras' theorem. Make sure you've tried the questions and then I'll go through it with you and you can see how you should have done the question. Okay, so you've got a right angle triangle and it's asking you to find the length. You should know by now that it's Pythagoras' theorem you're going to use. Now, in this question, question 1, you're looking to find the hypotenuse, which is your longest side. So if you're finding your longest side, you square your two values and you add them. If you're trying to find a shorter side, you square the two values and you subtract them. So we're going to square 6, square 2.5 and add them. That gives us a value of 42.25. Last thing you must remember to do is take the square root of that, which gives you an answer of 6.5. Okay. Question 2. Support for a flagpole is attached and they're looking you to find x. Again, this one is your longest side. So once again, you square the two values that you've got and you add the two values. That gives you an answer of 10.44. Okay. Make sure you take the square root of it, which gives you an answer of 3.23. Question 3. Calculate the length of BC. Now this time BC is one of your shorter sides. It's not the hypotenuse you're finding. So you've already got your hypotenuse or your longest side. So instead of adding the two values when you square them, you subtract. Starting with 19 squared, subtract 9 squared. Okay. 19 squared gives us 361 minus 81. When you subtract those two, you get 280. Take the square root of your 280 to leave you 16.7. Those are the two different types of questions that you can get on Pythagoras. Either you're finding the long side, in which you add the two values and square root. If you're finding one of your shorter sides, in other words, a side that's not your slant, square them and subtract.